I'm Chef Heidi Kise, culinary specialist for Gordon Food Service out of the Chicagoland area. And today we're doing a little spin on pizza and we're doing some flatbreads using our brand new creamy garlic peppermill dressing. So the first one, we're going to do a gourmet mushroom blend. So the first thing we'll do is saute these partially. Our final step is going to be adding a little bit of sherry or white wine or brandy, whatever you have available. We're ready to build a flatbread. So this is the creamy garlic dressing and we're just spreading it right onto the press. So you can see how this looks really beautifully grilled. We're gonna tuck some of our kale right around, mozzarella, lemon ricotta. This one is ready for the oven. Moving on to our Jalapeno Popper Flatbread. We're gonna start off with our base of our creamy garlic dressing. Each flatbread will have about one jalapeno. We're going to top it with some of our Mexican shredded cheese. We have some bacon that we par cooked. We'll add some green onion. So now we'll whisk our flatbreads off to the oven. Here are the two finished products. So we have two different flatbreads utilizing the creamy garlic dressing. With the jalapeno popper, we're just going to top it with a little drizzle of the creamy garlic. There you have it. For additional recipes and inspiration, you can find us at gfs.com.